Dengue fever. Are you at risk for dengue fever? Each year, an estimated 390 million people are infected. Up to 40% of the world's population lives in areas that are at risk for dengue. Dengue is spread through mosquito bites. Those who are in or traveling to tropical or subtropical regions of the world where dengue is found are at a higher risk. Outbreaks have occurred in parts of the Southeast Asia, the Western Pacific and Eastern Mediterranean, the Americas, and the Caribbean and Africa. Dengue outbreaks have occurred in the United States. The key to fighting dengue fever is prevention. No vaccine to prevent or medicine to treat infection is available. Protecting yourself against dengue virus by prevention of mosquito bites is the #1 goal. It's important to use Environmental Protection Agency registered insect repellent with important active ingredients registered. These repellents are proven safe and effective for pregnant and breastfeeding women also. Also, treat items such as boots, pants, socks, and tents with permethrin or purchase permethrin-treated clothing or gear. To protect your home, use screens on windows and doors. Repair all holes in screens to keep mosquitoes outside. Cover cribs, strollers, and baby carriers with mosquito netting. Always use air conditioning when available. It is important to protect yourself, your family, and community from mosquitoes by following environmental precautions. Eliminate standing water in and around your home. Once a week, empty and scrub, turn over, cover, and throw items out that hold water. Tightly cover water storage containers so that mosquitoes cannot get inside. If you have a septic tank, follow these steps. Repair cracks and gaps, cover open vent or plumbing pipes, and use wire mesh with hole smaller than adult mosquitoes. Signs and symptoms of dengue fever include the following. However, most people infected have mild or no symptoms. The most common symptoms of dengue fever include headache, eye pain, muscle joint or bone pain. Severe dengue can result in shock, internal bleeding, and even death. See your local health care provider immediately if you have any of the following symptoms. For further information, or if you plan on traveling to areas that have a high known prevalence of dengue virus, please visit the cdc.gov travel.